Hello, Mr. Crane. How are you? I haven't seen you in a while. You're looking quite gorgeous. Yes, you're gorgeous. Where'd you go? There you are. Wow, you're beautiful. Look at you. Bye. See you next time. Hi, Mr. Duck. Where'd you go? There you are. Hi, Mr. Duck. Oh, yeah. Let's get some sunshine.